Sweetie, remember those white Ralph Lauren sport golf type shorts we bought and everything? We weren't too sure about them.
Are they worth a lot of money?
I don't know. I haven't really looked them up. There was something funky in the pocket, and I was like, I thought it was one of those tags that go off, you know, when you walk out. And I pulled it out, and it's a $20 bill, all folded up and wadded up in there.
We're wealthy now.
We are. See, we've already made our money back on the shorts. So. That wraps up this video. If you have any suggestions for what you'd like to see in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.